In this video, I'll show you how to create a channel in Microsoft Teams. Creating a channel in Teams is a good way to organize conversations, files, and collaboration around a specific topic, project, or department. Microsoft says Teams supports standard, private, and shared channels. A standard channel is open to everyone on the team, a private channel is limited to selected members, and a shared channel is designed for collaboration with people inside or outside your team or organization. First, open Microsoft Teams and go to the team where you want to add the new channel. Find the team name, click the More Options button, which is the three-dot menu, and then choose Add Channel. This opens the channel setup window where you can enter the name and other details. Microsoft's support page lists this as the basic way to create a channel in Teams. Now type the name of your channel. Try to make it short and clear so people immediately understand what it is for. You can also add a description if you want to explain the purpose of the channel. After that, choose the channel type. If you want everyone on the team to access it, choose Standard. If only certain people should see it, choose Private. If your organization allows it and you need to collaborate beyond the team, choose Shared. Microsoft also notes that shared channels are created by team owners. Once you choose the type, click Create. If you selected a private channel, Teams will then ask you to add the people who should have access. Only owners or members of that private channel will be able to open it. Microsoft says private channels are best for focused discussions that should not be visible to the whole team. If you create a standard channel, everyone on the team will be able to see it right away. That makes standard channels ideal for general work, announcements, or project discussions that involve the full team. Microsoft also points out that posts in standard channels are searchable by others in blur or simple office-style background usually works best for work meetings, interviews, and presentations. And if your organization uses custom-branded meeting themes or backgrounds, you may see those as options too, especially in Teams Premium environments. So the steps are simple. Open your meeting, choose the background effects option, pick blur or a custom background, preview it, and apply it. That's how to change your meeting background in Microsoft Teams. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.